7 grams of nitrogen reacts with 1 mole of hydrogen. So let's write 7 grams on top of the nitrogen. Show that the hydrogen is in excess. So we've got a calculating quantities question here. It's not quite the full one though. Normally we do moles, stoichiometry, moles. But this time we just need to do moles and stoichiometry. That's as far as we need to get, because all we need to do is show that we need less than 1 mole of hydrogen to react with 7 grams of nitrogen. So we need to calculate moles of nitrogen. Moles, and we've got a mass here. Moles equals mass divided by MR. We've got the formula N2 there. So 1 N is 14. We've got 2 N's. That's going to be 28 for the formula mass. I use MR as an abbreviation for formula mass. And we've got 7 grams. Well, 7 divided by 28 is 0.25 of a mole. Okay, stoichiometry. N2. And we've got 1 mole here, haven't we? This is what we're saying in the question. We've got 1 mole of hydrogen. So we can cross out the ammonia, we don't need that. So N2 reacts with 3H2. Okay, now there's no number before the nitrogen, so if there's no number, there's a 1. So in our equation here, 1 mole of nitrogen reacts with 3 moles of hydrogen. So how do we get from 1 to 3? Answer, we multiply by 3. Okay, we don't start with 1 mole though. If we started with 1 mole, we'd need 3 moles of hydrogen. We start with 0.25 of a mole. 0.25 a mole. So whatever we had to do there, we have to do here now. So 0.25 a mole times 3. 0.25 times 3, 0.75 a mole. So we've shown in our calculation we need 0.75 a mole. Therefore, 1 mole is too much. 1 mole, therefore, is in excess. Job done. All these questions in the workbooks on ayleshamhighchemistry.com.